Hey guys, I'm not feeling terrible today, so I get to record for extra long. I would get to record for my usual 50 minutes. I already went through the talk with Casey and I already got the intel, so. Hey, where'd it go? Here it is. I already got the Shallows intel location. So, I'm not sure if I should go to Casey's quest with Rampart, or if I should continue on with May. I'm gonna force my cable for my headphones on my shirt so it doesn't like. Yeah, there we go. Since this isn't a physically demanding game, I can easily get away with that. Alright. So now my big question is, do I go with the Shallows? Do I go with here? Or do I go with here? Let's check Station 47 for intel. And we're gonna switch it instantly back to channel 61. Chilled on the block.
Suspending the herd. Memorial Lane.
Interesting.
Medicine cache found. Rampart.
Ooh.
Medical cache confirmed. Bywater.
I like that. It's. I felt like that one dancing Smurf gif where he goes like. Dun, 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 dun. I'll have to throw it up on the screen. All right, now. So we know that there's a medical cache here. I don't know nothing about the Shallows, so we're just gonna go to. I like Casey more, so. Sorry, May. You get pushed to the wayside. If you see a note, read it. No. If you see a picture, study it. Yes. They can provide crucial clues. What else can provide crucial clues? My pee-pee. Oh, I have to walk in the water for this. Yucky water. Let me in! Let me in! I need to learn! I need to... No. I need to learn! I need a baseball! What if that brings my... Ooh! Is my bag all cleared out and stuff? Good enough. Bottle. Oh, nope. See, that's a bad one. That's a bad one, too. These are bad ones. You can tell because they have gooey on their faces. Is this Maple Noir as a trader, or is this a new one? Go say 3. Propane tank! Please let this one not be infected. I want to smash his head open with a propane tank. Get off of me! You! Alright. Now we're gonna do a repeat of episode 1. I keep missing. I can't do it. That's a shame. Is there a way to get up here? Cause that seems like I can get up there. Can I climb this building? I can't climb the building. Hold on. If I could only parkour up there. You see, you just and then you. Oh, I can't do it. I sound like an old man. Is the store available for open? I can see in there. I have to like remember that it's only capturing one of my eyes, so You just got a face full of nothing if that captured my left eye. Surprise! This is a school.
What?
That is a half-crushed can of pinto beans. I just want to throw a can of pinto beans at a zombie or a walker. I love doing that. Papa. There's so many walkers out here. I mean, the dead have grown in numbers, so. Is there something in here?
Oh.
I missed. Bro, they keep spawning. Bro, this is. Bro, I just watched her come out of that tent. This is so. What is this? Is this day 4? Oh, this is day 3. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I cannot let that one get close to me at all. Get off me, get off me, get off me. Oh, crap. Yep. I'm sick and tired of this. I have pills. I can just take it like a man. Nom 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 nom. Pills. Oh, I think I'm inside the school now. There's the basketball court. I think the basketball court is locked. And I need a key for it. A key that I can find here. Whoa. Look at all those buildings that are under the water. That's a hut. I don't like that noise. This is like in Minecraft when you're playing by yourself and then you hear the cave noises. Hello? Oh. I only have enough rounds for one more. There's a headset. There's another effigy. Another cross. Lighter. Lots of stuff. I will take that. Is that a... I can take the pillow with me? Oh, okay. I'm not gonna take it with me, but... It's cool to know I can do that. I need my whiskey. I need my rum. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, where'd my knife go? Give me that. Oh. Dude, there's so many poor mods. I just see the red glowing lights of the enemy. Shoo! I've been always wanting to do that, and I'm so glad I managed to finally get that. Ooh. Oh. Why is there so many pawn bots? The pawn bots, whatever. Bro, I feel this is like actually kind of scary. Ooh! I don't like when games do that, man. I do not like when games do that, man. I'm telling you. Or 5.56. Nice. Honestly, this might be the best decision I'll ever make, but ooh! This might be the best decision I'll ever make, but I'm probably gonna swap out my rifle for a shotgun. Is that a breath mint? It is. It's like... Oh, ow, I just hit my fan. Why did I say ow? That didn't even hit my hand yet. Well, if they don't stop with these noises, I ain't playing about this. I'm the whitest kid saying that shit. Oh. What does the red options mean? Excuse me, why are these specific things glowing? Bro, this feels so... This is so liminal. I need music for this. I can't do this. Dude, I'm telling you, I can't do this shit, man. Like you could tell because my hand is shaking so badly. I can't do this. No, I can't, man. I'll gladly take a dozen walkers, dude. I'll gladly take a dozen. I'll gladly. Dude, I'm never going back in there. Dude, I'm being so for real. My heart rate is like, dude. It was scarier the fact that there was no walkers in there than the fact that it was scarier that the fact that there was nothing in there than the fact that I was actually having to like look around for stuff, you know? I don't even know if what I'm looking for was even in there. I'm not doing that. Wait, is this the basketball? Okay, so no, this is the basketball court. I'm assuming. So I might need a key to get in here? Question mark? Oh yeah, no, we ain't doing that. There's a deal label in the bottle. I'm being so for real. I just kicked my heater. I just went like this, and the game was just like, yeah, you stabbed him. Yeah, that's good enough for me. So where the heck am I supposed to leave from? Okay. There. Okay. I forget I can turn using my controller because I'm used to using my head for stuff. Dude, I'm being so for real. I actually don't want to go back in there. I can't grab that, okay. It's permanently glued to the wall, I guess. Hold on. There was a walker here, but I guess he's going next. It's no use. Is the boat flooded? Hold on. Yeah, the boat's flooded. I should be dead by now. Oh, I can just go to another location. I just realized that. In the pinch, arrows can be used for stabbing. Shot arrows can be recovered and reused. That's good to know. Alright guys, that's all I have time for today. I'm kidding. Ouch. Alright. Holy crap, I have so many bindings. Why do I have so many bindings? What is this? The Binding of Isaac? I have so much workable metal though. Shotgun. what's this? Hold on. Melee combat costume. I'm just trying to get to this. That's all I care about. I'm gonna quickly. Oh, I forgot about these. What does this do? Temporarily makes. Oh yes, I already read about that.
One eternity later.
All right. We're gonna sleepy juice it up, and we're gonna go to the shallows because I can't be bothered to search in that abandoned school. I might do. I'm gonna probably do that off camera, because then I'll have music playing in my headphones, and I won't be scared of anything. All right, off we go to find this. Yeah, retrieve the intel. Because, let me tell you, I do not want to go to Rampart no more. I was excited about it, and now I'm no longer excited about it. I don't want to do it no more. But there was a huge medicine cache there, which I'm actually very proud of. Or very glad for. I did not check the radio! Frick! I need to remember to check it before going out. That's the whole point of Radio 47. That's the whole point of Station 47. See right there. Alright. I think I might know where this house is, because I've gone to this location a couple times. Are they wearing gas masks? Oh, these were. She was better. She was better. Hello, neighbor, my ass. Couple of claim scam, I guess. Oh, that was a disease walker. Good. You know what? I'm gonna quickly follow these guys, because these guys.
Stupid idols.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, no, they're dead.
This should be fun.
I don't think this is the house. That's not what I want. No, that's not what I want either. No! Alright. Good evening.
Think it's wise to be wandering around?
You think it's wise to not be talking? Or to be talking to me? You know how many people I've killed? Where did you come from? Hold on, don't tell me that this is the house. Yeah, this is the house, I can tell.
North side has a fucking hole in it.
Yep. You look like military.
You all looking for trouble? Keep hanging around here.
Oh, no, no. See,
Last chance to live. Clear out now.
Okay. I'm going.
I just don't get the whole MacLeod thing. Lunatics. Get the hell out.
It's your time to die.
Walker on me. Eyes up.
Proving one thing to us. What a piece of you are. Egg's not a strong.
Whoa! Oh, these little. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. I have to wait more on the loss of a massive gun.
I saw something move.
That's actually pretty cool. All right. Well, now the fun's over. Fun's over.
These fucking coming.
Ma'am, you can't sleep here. Ma'am, you can't sleep here. Ma'am, you're gonna have to go somewhere else. You can't sleep here. You can't sleep here. Homeless people, am I right? Oh, I got the intel. I could just leave. Whoa, what did I do?
Don't realize how bad they are.
What did I do, you I hate you! I will kill you! Oh, I love these people so much. Oh, great, you're... Get off me! Prostitutes, am I right?
Out for a stroll?
Hey, you might want to help. I need help. I thought she was talking to me. I was about to get so angry. Hey, whoa.
You tourist. Take this all down.
I got some trouble over here! You think you can with us and get away with it? You're like mosquitoes.
Shut up.
People gonna be pleased when I waste you. You've proven one thing to us. What a piece of you are.
Oh yeah? And you've proven one thing to me. How stupid you are. Because I'm out of here. There we go. I'm gonna have to sort out the Ventry later. I did nothing to them besides sneak in their home and steal some intel. Is that so bad? Where's that walker at? Nope, we're just gonna Hail Mary it. Hold on. I wanna check the shoe. I really do like checking shoe. Oh, where'd it go? I can't believe I missed twice. Alright, now I wonder, can I just... Let's say I wanted to... Let's go somewhere that... Okay, so no. You can't go to multiple places at once. You can only go from... Okay. Man, people are so rude. Can you believe how rude they were to shoot me dead like that? And then when I go to claim my stuff, they shoot me dead some more? I can't believe the audacity of some people. Alright, now it's time to clear out the inventory. Alright. Now that we've cleared the vent tree, we're gonna quickly... Alright, there we go. Oh, let me check how long I've been recording. Alright, 35 minutes is respectable. Oh, I should probably drop off the inside. I forgot to do that.
5 minutes later.
All patrols, return to the tower after 1800 herd stir through the Narrow. Reserve assault prep begins ASAP. 3 to 10 days. Hope for 10. You need time. Reserve strike immediate when Loke is known. Any day, it seems. During prep, patrol sweeps reduced to only once per day, and only through the southern bump and northwest corridor. Reserve assault troops will move through there. With reserve secured and tick infected removed, should have all routes clear in 3 weeks. Back to business. Re-tick infected. List still developing. Currently at 50, will be higher. Roundup raid for immediate exile. Anyone protest, they take the walk. No time for bullshit. Tired of feeding JB's army with dissidents. Elimination, the better option. Georgia.
Oh, my hand almost got caught. That was scary. My hand almost got stuck in the scary, spooky tomb. Alright. I have a feeling that that light is now going to be intertwined with Casey's quest. But, Lord, do I not want to do Casey's quest no more. I'm not traveling through an abandoned school that could possibly not be fully developed. I mean game-wise, because we all have seen the holes in the sky. We all saw the hole in the roof. Who's to say that they won't do well? Alright, sleepy juice time. Day 15. Oh, would you look at that? Never mind. Alright. But first, before I even step outside this bus.
Medicine cache found. Memorial Lane.
Ooh.
Advising scavenge operation. Via Corolla.
Via Corolla.
Food supply confirmed. By water.
Okay, that's good to know. I don't think I've ever been to Via Corolla. We'll probably take a peek there if this intel is in there. Oh, I swear I've never been there. Was there no intel?
Hey, tourist. The intel you've been gathering for me has been enlightening to say the least. Georgia is planning on a mass exile in the very near future. Many lives are going to be at risk. I have a few things to discuss with you. I know we were going to try to avoid the face-to-face, but the plan I'm formulating warrants it. Would appreciate your ear. Meet me in the same spot as the first time, Churchyard. Thanks for all you're doing. May.
Guess we're going there. You know what? That makes sense. Hey, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be around the corner. I punched him. Why did I punch him? I went BAM! Sound restricted for groups of walkers. Okay. You know what? I actually think I know about this. I'm gonna actually, like, just every single egg timer I see, or kitchen timer, not egg timer, I'm just gonna steal them, and then twist them to the max, stuff them in my bag. Is that door open? Ooh. Oh, there's nothing in here. Anyway, as I said, I'm gonna stuff them to the max, like, time them, and then, here she is. Alright. What's up, man?
Hey, tourist. I'll get right to the point. After looking over the intel you brought me, seems like Georgia is planning to toss out a large number of people real soon.
Oh.
A lot of lives are going to be in jeopardy. Good news is we have some hope. The map you scored shows a safe way out of NOLA. Just need to buy some time and some space to organize exiles on a large scale, get them ready to move. I think the reserve is going to provide the opening I need. Georgia and the tower are so obsessed with it, don't think they'll be concerned with what I'm doing for a short while. And with the Reclaim salivating over it too, once the reserve is unlocked and revealed to the world, courtesy of you, there's going to be a bloodbath. You can count on that.
It's gonna be a
That's
bloodbath.
when I make my move. Window won't be open long, though. It'll be tight, but I gotta take the chance.
Sounds like this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. I think you should go for it.
Thanks for the support, tourist. It helps, especially when the mind is working out so many what-ifs. I will leave the key to the reserve in the drop spot for you. Lantern will be on when it's there. When the goes down for the reserve, if you're thinking it's all too much and you want out, come find us. The Exodus could use someone with your particular set of talents. My hope is you won't be a fool, but my mind suspects you'll be too hooked on that damn reserve pipe dream just like everybody else. All I can do is wish you good luck and good judgment, tourist. Take care of yourself.
Listen, I don't know about particular set of skills. I don't have any particular set of skills. I'm just stupid. I wanted to say a certain word that starts with R, but we all know that if I say that, I'll get canceled. Bro, leaving me the key to reserve is actually pretty dang useful. Let's see if I can find any egg timers here. I mean, kitchen timers, kitchen timers. Look, a frying pan. Look, a frying pan. Model S2000. Oh, oh, stop. Why this game gotta do me like that, bro? Ooh, keyboard. Why this game gotta do me like that, bro? Oh, there's literally nothing over there. Okay. I don't think the game devs suspected anyone to be able to see that, but I did. What are you doing in my house? Hey, hey, hey! Self-defense rule. Self-defense rule. There's literally nothing over on that side of the. That's actually insane. I don't know how I never noticed that. All right, but that was a good talk. That was a good talk. Honestly, might leave the game here. Like, might end the episode here because that was honestly very. Don't do that. That was honestly a very good haul. Oh wait, can you use rope to... Anyway, that was a very good chance to make some progress though. Like she said, Lantern will be on when she drops off the key. Honestly, besides having to figure out if Casey's friends are still okay, this has honestly been a very good episode of The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners. So I'm just probably gonna take a hit of the sleepy juice, and yeah, we're just gonna take a hit. We're gonna waste the morning. We can just go back. We can just go back in the saves. Yeah, late evening. All right. So now that the save has happened, so that way I was spawning back in the boat in the place rather than all the way over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked that video, absolutely slam that like button with your Bayou Slugger. Shoot the subscribe button. And make sure you stab that notification bell. That. Comment if you want to see more. Comment your favorite timestamp in the description too, or in the comment section if you want to. But with that, I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.